What's going on, everybody? I am Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and today we are going to use the fade out effect in Audacity, and we're going to do it in 80 seconds, so let's rock and roll. We have Audacity open. I'm just going to open up a folder here and drag and drop the track I want to use. With that done, we make sure we have the selection tool selected. Let's go ahead and minus this out just a little bit so we can see what's going on here. And I'm going to just select the area I want to be faded out and go up to Effect and hit the Fade Out effect. This will do it all for you. Now let's give it a listen and see what that sounds like. Oh, yeah. And with that, you have used the fade out effect. Now, go ahead and give a click for the next video, and hey, I'll see you there. Boom, baby!